Can you really plan a fun personal birthday party without spending too much or running around all day? I kept thinking about this while planning my son's birthday. I work as a designer, so I thought why not use my skills to make something really special like decorations, invitations, and cake toppers. I started with the cake, what size should be, what decorations would look best. So I opened my Fortnite themed decoration set, yes, I designed it myself, and put the piece on the table. So I printed a few and tried different layouts. Which characters to use, which colors look better. These little tests help a lot. So sometimes what looks good on screen looks very different when printed. So I took a few pictures and sent them to bakery, but even better, I brought the printed pieces to them. You don't need to be a designer or use special software. Just open the file, change the size if you need, and print. That's it. This way, the bakery could match the cake colors to my printed designs. When the cake decorations were done, I started on the party invitations. I used one of my editable templates in Canva, changed the names and time, printed them, and done. I love handing out the invites, each one with the child's name. Then I made thank you cards, because in Austria we usually give small gifts to the guests after the party. I found fun Fortnite style boxes and filled them with sweets, stickers, a little toy, and thank you cards. It's more than just a gift, it's a nice memory the kids can take home. While making all this, I had another idea. Why not print the designs on tattoo paper for a fun party tattoo? On the transfer paper to make t-shirts. That's what I love about my high-quality PNG files. You can use them for so many things. T-shirts, balloons, banners, bags, stickers, welcome signs. You can get really creative. And it's easy to do. Just open the PNG and Canva, change the size and print. I always suggest using high print quality and glossy photo paper if possible. It makes the color bright and beautiful. By the way, I always include two types of files in my set. PNG files for people who use Cricut, Silhouette, or design programs, and PDF files for easy printing and cutting with scissors. With one decoration set, you can decorate the cake, cupcakes, burgers, party bags, so everything. That's why I love digital party decor. It's not just about saving time or money, it's about making a birthday feel fun, personalized, and unforgettable. So what do you think? Would you try it for your next party? It's easier than you think, and trust me, a smile on your kid's face will be 100% worth it. If you like this idea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I share more fun decor ideas, easy Cricut tutorials, and behind-the-scenes tips every week. You can also check out more ready-to-print designs in my Etsy shop. The link is in the bio. Need something custom? I've got you. There's a link to my custom order form as well. Let's make your next celebration truly special together. Thanks for watching and happy party planning. See you in the next video. Bye!